Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital IT Lab. In this video, I will show you how to configure DHCP failover between two Windows servers using the GUI method. My setup has two servers, DC-01 with IP 192.168.2.4, DC-02 with IP 192.168.2.5. On DC-01, I already created a DHCP scope from 192.168.2.2 to 192.168.2.254. Now we will connect DC-02 as a failover partner, so if DC-01 goes down, DC-02 will continue to give IPs to clients. On DC-01, open Server Manager, go to Tools, select DHCP. Expand your server, expand IPv4. You will see your existing scope here. We always start from the server where scope is already created, in our case DC-01. Now right click on the scope name, select Configure Failover. A wizard will open. It will show all scopes available for failover. Make sure your scope is checked. Click Next. In this wizard, click Add Server. Type the name DC-02, or you can use full domain name. Click OK. Click Next. This tells DC-01 who will be its partner for failover. Now configure failover relationship. Here you will see multiple options. For relation name, default will be auto-generated. You can rename it to something simple like failover scope 1. For mode, you have two options, load balance and host standby. For most cases, use load balance and keep load balance percentage to 50-50. For maximum client lead time, default is 1 hour. This defines how long one server can extend a lease without telling the partner. Leave it default. For state switchover interval, keep default. Now for share secret, enter password. Both servers will use this to authenticate messages. After configuring, click Next. Click Finish. You can see a message like Configure Failover Successful. Click Close. Now go to DC-02, open Server Manager. Go to Tools. Select DHCP. Expand your server. Expand IPv4. You should see the same scope automatically created. The wizard copies the scope and settings from DC-01 to DC-02. Now let's verify the relationship. Go to DC-01. In DHCP scope, right click on IPv4. Choose Properties. Go to Failover tab. You will see the relationship listed with DC-02. Both servers should show status as normal. Just click OK. Now let's test the failover. Go to Client Machine. Open Command Prompt. Run this command. Now run this command. It should receive an IP from the scope. Now go to DC-01 and stop the DHCP services. Open services. Find DHCP server, right click on it and select stop. Now go to client machine. Again run this command. Now run this command again. This time DC-02 should provide the IP address. To check IP configuration, run this command. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps. If scope doesn't appear on DC-02, run a replication again from DC-01. Firewall must allow TCP port 647 between DC-01 and DC-02. Both servers must be authorized in Active Directory. Both must have static IPs. So that's how you can configure DHCP failover in Windows Server using the GUI method. We set up a failover relationship between DC-01 and DC-02, verified replication, and tested failover by stopping the services on primary DC-01. This ensures high availability for DHCP in your network. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Digital IT Lab and press the bell icon for more practical Windows Server tutorials. Thanks for watching. This is Zubair. See you in the next video.